How to buy Echo platform token. Now this token came under the symbol of Echo. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any product that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 24 hours ago and increased by 400% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 95%. And as you can see, that's my investment in safe place. This token trending number 19 in this transaction. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address. Open your phone to manage for that. As you can see, click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana in white. Now click here and paste the token address, as you can see. So here, click on your on token. Now here, type how much you want to buy. So here we'll be able to see how much you receive. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information here. Click on stop, and after that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this. So now, if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch. As you can see, the slip page from here or customer, because the most of issues came from the slip page, and after that, you can go and buy the token without issue. So this is how to buy Echo token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.